Okay, so Muhammad Azam, yes, Azam, Dinesh, and Anand. Can you hear me?
Huh.
Yes.
Okay, so your VMs have been started. Now, what you have to do, I shared you the access for you, like what is the name of your patient and the user ID and the password for your patient. You have to open MSTSC on your desktop, and then you have to log into that DNS name. What is the DNS name? Okay, let me show you how you need to do. Okay, right click, open an MSTSC. MSTSC. That is your terminal. Open an MSTSC. Inside over here, you have to paste your patient host. For example, the patient name for Muhammad. Okay, so here you have to give the patient name. After giving the patient name, click on connect. When you click on collect, it will ask you the username and password. I have already shared the username and password in your respective chat window. Okay. Is that clear? Do you got it? How to access your VM?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Please try now. After you connect to a VM, then let me know. Then I will guide you further.
Which chat window, Muzaffarji?
In your WhatsApp, I had mailed you. Who's this? Dinesh.
Dinesh, yes.
Yes, Dinesh. I think let me check. I think maybe 2 or 3 days before I mailed you the VM details,
Okay, okay.
like
That on WhatsApp.
patient host and your.
Yes, yes, that's received.
Today only, I think I sent you today only.
Muzaffar, what about me?
Sridhar, do you want your VM? If you want, I can. Yeah, we can start your VM. You can access it. You can use it for some other further practicals.
No, for not for now not required. I will request when I need.
Then you can do one thing. That now these students they will start their patient host and they will share the AnyTest ID with you. Okay, so I think there are three of them. So I will guide them how to do the installation. You can observe them, or you can take one of the user, and you can guide him or help him how to do the installation. So it will also like it will be a practical revision for you.
Okay.
So in the previous batches, I used sorry. In my previous batches, I used to give this access to all the students, but nobody did their installation practice, even after that end of the batch also. So now after that, I have to purposefully take this practical session and like to push all the students to do their practical. Okay, anybody successful in getting the access to the patient host?
Yes, Muzaffar, for me.
Okay, you got the access. Now you do one thing. When you go inside C drive packages, no. Okay, it's okay. Let me know. It will be empty. I think. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so I have shared this Excel sheet with you. You have received this Excel sheet, lab setup for HANA.
No, this not received yet.
I think I shared it in the group. Let me check. Okay, so let me me share it with you again. Okay, so now I have shared that Excel sheet in the group. Open the first Excel sheet, lab setup for HANA. Yes,
Yes, Muzaffar received and opened.
Dinesh, you got this Excel sheet now?
Yes, yes.
You open it, then if you scroll down, you can come on this one, this line number 51. In the line number 51, you can find this link to download AC copy.
Okay.
Please download that AC copy. You can copy this link into your browser. Open this link. Okay, you can see over here there is Windows 64, Windows 32, Windows Linux x86 and all. So download the first one. Click download the first Windows 64 bit. Download on your local PC and then copy, upload it onto your Bayesian host C drive packages folder.
Okay.
Muzaffar, I can't able to access the RDP.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me, come again.
Can't able to access the RDP.
Okay, 1 minute. Who is this?
Azam.
Azam. What error you are getting?
Just not again. I will. Women desktop cannot find computer.
B05 hyphen. Okay. Yes, there's a one mistake over here. So okay, I'll change it and I'm sending it to you.
Okay.
Instead of B05, it will be B0. Instead of B03, it will be B05. B05 hyphen HANA hyphen 39 Okay, yes, Azam, I have WhatsApp you the DNS name.
Okay. Muzaffar, password incorrect.
1 minute. Let me check what password is shared with you. This password is the same. There is no change in the password. Are you copy pasting it or what you are doing?
copy paste.
So it should. One minute. Okay, your username. Username is wrong. Just a moment. 39. So this is your username. Can you see the screen?
Muhammad underscore Azam.
Dot Azam. Let
Dot
me. I will
Azam.
type it here. I will type it over here. I will message it to you. Yes, I have messaged it to you.
Can you check for HANA DVM VM?
What can I? What?
What about HANA DVM VM? HANA Dev VM.
Yes, HANA Dev VM. I will guide you how to connect to that. First, make your Bechanos ready.
Okay.
So now, okay, now let me just have a check. Where is Azam? You are able to connect your Bechanos?
No, not yet. Just trying.
Okay, so then after when you connect, just download this Azure copy, uh, this one AZ copy utility, and upload it onto your this MSCSC in your C drive packages folder. What about others? Dinesh, Anand, I think he will joining after some time.
Yes, Muzaffar, I had downloaded that in package.
Have you uploaded it in C drive packages folder on the Besan?
Yes, but it's showing just 13 KB, and when I double click, it's saying that
It's not for 13 KB. It is at least 25 MB. Okay, can you share your AnyDesk? If you have AnyDesk, share your AnyDesk.
okay.
And you also ask them if you face any issue, share your AnyDesk.
Yes, Muzaffar, my AnyDesk.
Yes, sorry, just give me one minute. Just... Okay, so yes, Dinesh, you shared your AnyDesk ID?
Yes, 463.
Yes, yes. Yes, 463
677
677
598.
598.
Yes.
Okay, just waiting for your. Okay. Okay, this is what you have downloaded is a zip file.
Yes.
But again, cancel this. So double click on it. Open, not open. You have to save it.
Yes.
Okay. Download has completed. View downloads. It is of 12 MB. So let me go into your downloads folder. Right click, extract all. Okay, so here it is. This is download is completed. This is the utility. Control X. Sorry. C drive packages.
Okay.
Okay, so now going back, here is a utility. You have downloaded the utility. Now what you need to do, you open a command prompt, okay, and then you have to see this command, the next command. You have to copy paste this command in the command prompt.
This one.
Yes. Again you need to copy. No need for marking. Actually, again copy it and then paste it. Okay, now to download the software. Yes. Anybody else? Azam.
Just I'm trying.
Okay. Mhm. Okay, started.
Yes.
The browser is no longer supported.
There's an option. You can do one thing. Download this utility on your local PC, and from your local PC, copy it to your Bayesian host.
Okay.
Muzaffar sir, this agent copy is like a free utility,
Which one? Which we?
but agent copy you are using.
Yes, AZ Copy is a free utility. It is provided by Azure, Microsoft Azure.
Okay.
So we have to download for 64-bit.
Yes, you have to download for 64 bit. Okay, it is completed. So one thing, Anand, now you have an AnyDesk inside the Bayesian host. If you
Yes.
want, you can now close your AnyDesk and you can run the AnyDesk in your Bayesian host. So you don't have to give access to your local PC.
Okay.
So I can directly connect to the Bayesian host on your this one.
Okay.
970072. 970072 139. Now, Okay, so now I have access. Now I'll disconnect from your PC's AnyDesk, and it's still showing that you have to accept. Can you again accept it?
Yes, done. Is it visible, Muzaffarji?
Yes, just give me 2 minutes. Sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, Dinesh. Yes, I can see your screen now.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so this is your Bashan host, na? Okay,
Yes.
now you can move forward. You have downloaded everything. Now you have to set up your Bashan house so that you can add your access your this HANA VM. So this is your putty. Okay, in your putty, I think it's already. I think you're not giving me some access. I cannot click on it. You can just double click on this putty.
Putty or M putty?
Putty.
Okay.
Okay. Can you give me access?
Yeah,
I think,
from where?
I think I got.
I
Okay,
need
I
to
think I
click
got.
somewhere.
Now you have to click on this first icon. Can you see the first icon, keyboard and mouse?
Okay.
Yes.
Done.
Now I can. Okay, so now just one or two changes. I'm changing the font size, so it will be a little visible for you. Consider- Saving this setting. Okay, your putty is ready. Now just make a shortcut of empty putty on your screen. Where is the empty putty? Where you just hide this page. You server, add server. Okay, what is the IP? Can you type the IP over here? I think I've given you along with your Bashan host.
Yes, yes. Let me check.
Okay. Uh, Anand, your visible name is 91900.
Yes, Ansari.
Okay, so can you connect to your VM?
Yeah. Can you please guide me? I just opened remote desktop,
Okay.
so I will
Okay,
be the
now you have
patient
to
host.
type. You have to paste your that DNS label here there.
Yeah.
Okay. And then when it asks you username and password, then you give the username and your password. Okay, so here it is. This you can give some name over here. SADB Day 1.
Okay.
Click on OK. Now double click and check whether you are able to access or not. So can you see you are able to access your VM?
Yes, sir. So username password not required.
Yes, I will. It is common. It is there in this sheet. If you see a sheet, or if you go on to not this sheet, the second one H4D sheet. I shared two sheets with you.
Yes.
In the other sheet, if you go on the OS side, if you go on the OS, here you will find this is the user and this is the password. Okay. I think you have made your text quite big. Is it okay for you, or you want to make it small? Yes, Dinesh.
Yes, yes.
Is the font size okay, or you want to make it small?
Yeah, font size okay.
Okay, then yes, you can start now. You can open your second sheet. This is your username, sysadmin. This is the password, and then you can start entering your commands there. Okay, if you have any query, just ask me.
That username and password, I think that's WhatsApp, not in
Okay,
seat, available on WhatsApp.
okay. Have you opened your Excel sheet, the second one,
Yes,
H4D?
yes. Open, yes.
It is there in the second sheet in the OS sheet. First one is the information
Okay.
sheet. Second is the OS sheet. On the top, here is the username and the password.
Login use the sysadmin
Yes,
and
that is the
password.
user.
Okay.
Yes, that is the password. Yes, about Azam and Anand, were you able to log in?
And sorry, what will be the host name, computer name?
I've given the DNS name.
Oh, DNS name I have to give.
Yes, you have to type the DNS name and then the username and the password. You have to share the username and the password for your patient home. Enter it there.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Can we paste?
Yes, yes, you can face. See, now it's simple. You just reconnect. Yes.
Okay. Just take that password.
Yes, admin. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, do it, do it. Yeah. Okay. Here you are able to log in. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, anybody else got their access? So here you can see, Dinesh, that you have four CPUs.
Yes.
And then your memory, this is your total memory. Okay, this is the memory which is free, this is the memory used, and this is for buffers and cache.
For coming out from this top command,
Q, press Q.
Q. Okay.
And sorry, for me, the password is not working. I'm giving, but it's not
Okay,
taking.
can you share your NADS ID?
Yes, I will share you.
Okay. Nine eight five 0444097. Yes, Anand, waiting to accept
Yeah,
your.
yeah.
Okay. Just minimize all everything. Okay, so here it is. Something more choices. Use a different username. Here, type your username.
Okay, yeah. One second.
Yes, then your password. Check. Yes, now I think it's yes. Just click on this.
Okay.
Now we have to download the AZ copy utility.
Okay.
So you can just click on yes.
Hmm.
Just ask me later. Okay. Now copy
Okay.
paste that URL.
Okay.
For that Microsoft Azure AZ copy URL.
Okay. Okay.
doc.microsoft.com. Yes. Yes, Azam, what about you? Just click on add.
Okay.
Add and add again, add,
Okay.
close.
Okay.
Okay, no problem, the browser is no longer supported. Yes, download the first one. Download the first one.
Okay. Yeah.
Again,
Add
click
it.
on add. Add.
Okay. Yeah.
Again, add
Okay.
and close. Okay, now you have to click on save.
Okay.
It will download. It has downloaded. Click on view downloads. Or you can click on view for open folder.
Yeah. Okay.
Click on open. Okay, double click on this one.
Okay.
There is a utility. Copy that utility inside C drive or packages folder.
Sorry.
Just
You need to
copy it,
copy,
right?
edit copy. Okay.
Yes, just copy.
Okay.
Then go to your C drive packages folder. No, not no, about PC. Just click on the arrow key.
Yeah.
Yes, C drive packages.
Packages. Okay.
Yes, paste it here.
Okay. Yeah. Done.
Now open your now open a command prompt. And not on your PC, inside the Bashan host.
Oh,
This is inside the
okay.
Bashan host.
Sir, sir, okay. This is right. Good, sir.
Yes,
I think this
this
is
is
the
the
server.
Bashan
Yeah.
host.
Okay, okay.
Just click on this is
Okay. Close it.
just click this and then tick there. Now close it.
Okay.
And for this also, you can just click on this one, manage.
Okay.
Okay, we will just close it and we'll see it also. Just close it.
Okay.
Now open a command prompt on your Bashan host. Yes, yes.
Yes.
And open your Excel sheet. Copy paste the next command, next one, the below one.
Yeah, this one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Dinesh, you completed?
No, Muzaffar ji. I was just waiting.
So you can start with your further, na? If
Yeah,
you
that
have done
Excel
with the
sheet
OS,
step by step.
yes, if you're done with the OS check, you can start with the OS setup. Before doing the OS setup, make sure to go in the information sheet and change your IP address. The IP address as per what is your for your VM. I think your VM IP address is 10.41.1.4. So go inside the Excel sheet, inside the information info sheet. There change it in the C30 box, C30.
Yes, yes, I can see.
Okay, now you can come in the OS and you can start with the OS setup.
Okay.
Switch to the root user, change the password of root user, set host name.
Okay. I'm starting.
Yes, yes, please.
And sir, this will take a time or how?
And then it will take not more than 4 or 5 minutes.
Okay, okay. Done.
Yeah, Azam, what about you? Yes, Anand, it's done for you. Huh?
Okay. That's it?
Now, okay, now you can go inside the C drive folders and you can
Yeah.
directly open the AnyDesk from here. This will be faster and this will be open this AnyDesk and
Yeah.
you connect using this AnyDesk. Okay,
Yes.
so the number is 664. 6644
430,991.
30,991.
Yes.
30,991.
Yeah.
You can accept this one. Yes. Now you can close the AnyDesk on your system.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm directly connected to your vision.
Muzaffar, can you
I
just
can
take
just
the
minimize all
access?
these things.
Yes.
Yes, who's this?
Azam.
Yes, Azam. Can you share your AnyDesk ID?
Yeah. 4459.
1 minute. Yes, so 459
556
556
435.
435. Yes, Anand, I think you can start with your open your OS sheet, and you can start with the OS check and then the OS setup. If you
Okay.
have any doubts, any queries, just let me know. Don't
Yeah.
waste any time.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, now Azam, yes,
I have to copy this one.
yes. Where is your Deshan host? It's all no, need to maximize it. Maximize your Deshan host. Okay, now just open any
This one
notepad
only.
and yes, open notepad and paste your command over there. And you don't have to go in on your desktop again. Okay, paste it.
What I have to write here?
You just paste your command what you copied from your Excel sheet. Okay. So this is the command for downloading. Have you downloaded the this one AZPUB utility?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
okay.
show me where it is.
In C, packages.
Yes, packages.
Mm,
Okay, very good. Now go and paste.
Document.
Yes, minimize this Explorer. Okay, now Control C. Click on Control C. Yes, now right click, paste the command. No, this command is not complete. Go to your Excel sheet. Okay, yes, now is copied Control C. No, you don't have to go inside the cell. Click on Escape. No, click on Escape. Yes, copy the whole cell. Escape.
And so the OS commands is not executing. It is saying that it is not recognized. Is there any issue? So where I have to log in with root user, how it is?
Yes, 1 minute. I'll check it. Just
Yeah, yeah, please.
Yes, Hasan, this is a command. Up till recursive. Copy paste
Okay.
this command in the command. Control C, Control C, don't paste it. Control C.
Where you ping that commands?
Okay, no, first Control C. Press Control C.
Okay.
Yeah, Azam.
Okay.
No,
Oh,
Azam, I'm talking
Control
to
C.
Azam. Yes, Control C. Now right click and paste that command. Did you copy it from the text notepad?
हाँ, copy
Copy
करा
this
मैं.
command.
Yeah, copied.
Okay, now right click on there and paste it on the command prompt. No, not here, not here, in the command prompt. Yes. Okay, Anand. See, you are typing in your Bayesian host command prompt. Okay.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
you don't have to type it here.
It's not
Okay.
getting paste.
Oh, okay. One minute. Let's right click, copy, come on the
Okay.
screen and just right click. Okay, enter.
Okay. Okay.
Now
Okay.
wait for the program to get downloaded. Now to Anand. Yes, Anand, I think you have not given me the permission to for keyboard and mouse. Can you open this AnyDesk window? The
Yeah.
small
Yeah.
window. Okay, you click on the first icon. No, no, minimize this one. Minimize this.
Okay. Okay. This
Yeah,
one.
the first icon, keyboard and mouse.
Keyboard and mouse. This one.
The first icon.
This one.
Yeah, this one. Okay. So now now, okay, I'm connected now. What we have to do now is this is your putty.
Yeah. Okay.
I will just change the
Change.
Muzaffarji, this putty and that M putty, it's different.
putty is multi-tab putty. It's the same. It is using putty only, but it will give you in one page. You can see multiple windows.
We are doing that setting, appearance setting on putty, and here we are starting that M putty.
Yes. Okay, Ravish, give me 1 minute. See, I'm just configuring here in this. Can you see my
Yes, yes,
screen, my shared window? So
yes,
normally, what you this is empty putty is multi-tab putty. So
yes.
instead of opening multiple windows on your desktop, you can open only one window, multi-tab, and here you will see multiple connections or multiple sessions in tabs.
Yeah, on M putty.
Wait till we open, wait till we connect it, then we'll have an understanding. Okay, so now where was I? Okay, so we have done the configuration. Now server, add server. What is the IP for your Anand 10.42? 10.42.1.2, I think. HDB DEV1. Yes. Okay, so this is your icon. Can you see here? Okay, so now Anand, you have to log in. Now you can log in and start you open your Excel sheet, the second one, not the left setup. SAP HANA 2.0 SPS 05. Open that Excel sheets, open the second sheet OS. Here you will see you can start with the OS check. Log in with the sysadmin user and this is the password. Okay, can you do that? Yes, Anand. Okay, okay. So now, yes, what's your name? Dinesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can see we have opened one connection. And now what you can do, I can just directly right click over here. Can you
Okay.
right click on this tab
On
on
my
the
system.
tab over here?
Okay. Okay.
Here on your this multi tab on this tab over here, right click and click on new connection. Duplicate, just click on duplicate.
Okay.
So you can see you can open multiple tabs in the same screen.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
In Putty, you have to open multiple windows. Okay, so here it is very easy to like open multiple windows and like move through them.
Like we were doing some setting in Putty also. So we will be using that.
Putty, I just changed the command font. That's it. I just changed the size of the font and the fonts. Earlier it was Korean new. I changed it to console S. That is the two settings.
So that's reflecting this Putty as well while we were changing setting.
See, M Putty uses your Putty only. It uses the Putty application, but it
Okay.
is just like a wrapper program.
Okay. Okay. That's what I want to keep. They are link in between both.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Sorry. Yes, Azam, where are you? Is it downloaded?
Yeah, downloaded. System has restarted.
Why it's restarted?
Some plug has been moved.
Okay.
Plug issue. Now it's getting
Okay.
reopened.
Okay. Your
Starting.
system has
Just
been rebooted. Okay. Okay. I thought Jason was rebooted. Okay, so
no, no,
once
no.
your
Sir,
system
from my end
starts,
only.
once your system starts, open the Bashan hole, and then inside C drive packages, there is an AnyDesk program. Double click on it and share me the ID. Now I will connect on your
Okay.
Bashan host AnyDesk, not on your system's AnyDesk. Okay, so yes, Dinesh.
I'm trying that command sudo su.
No, you have to give a space after the hyphen command. That's sorry, yes, sudo su. Yes, there it is.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Muzaffarji, this
Yes, tell me.
password change command,
Yes, sir.
this sh minus c, how it's working?
Okay, actually, instead of C, if you give the password command over here, PSSWD, okay, if you give enter, it will ask you the new password. When you type the new password again, give enter, it will ask you confirm password. So
Okay.
what you have given, you have just given all of them in one command. So this is the shell command, shell minus C, the command. So I'm echoing this password root 123 root 123 and passing it on to the password command.
Okay.
So I'm setting the password in one command.
So my new password is like root 123.
Yes, your new password is root 123.
Okay.
Okay. It's CTL.
Yeah.
Dinesh, it's not
Yes.
CLT.
Yes, type.
It is LSBLK, Anand. It is LS block. Block means for block disk, block storage.
Muzaffarji, this cat command, can you explain this cat, cat?
Cat is simple as your type command in Windows. Have you used the type command in Windows?
No, not yet.
Cat command, what it does when you give the cat command along with the file name, what it will do, it will list all the content of that file on the screen. You got it?
No.
Cat command, it will show you the content of the file on the screen.
Like here we are opening that hostname file.
So it is showing you the content. So this is the content of the file. There is nothing else. If you type, for example, this cat/etc hosts, this is another file, host file. If you see the content of it, so this is the content. See, this is the content of the host file.
Okay, got it.
Just Anand, your password has updated successfully. Just see this message. Password updated successfully. Yes, Anand, you can move on. Okay, yes, Dinesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can log out from here. Now, next time when you want to log in, you can directly log in with the root user. No need to log in with the sysadmin user because now you know the password for root user.
Okay, okay. I'm just trying.
And if you want, you can also save the password in your connection. So you just have to double click on it and it will log in and give it to you. Every time you don't have to enter the username and password.
Okay, got it.
You can just right click over here, properties, and you can give the user root user and the password and just check on this password in command line.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, Group command. Where is this group command, Anand?
It's a grep command.
Actually, grep. It is not a
Yeah.
grep command. Grep
Yes.
is some. It is you can use. It is similar to find command. Find. Now what happens? For example, now this
Okay.
is the output. IP. IP. I'm not able to. Yes, I'm not able to type anything. Can you check if you have the permission? If you have like.
Yeah, I'm checking. Yes, I have given.
Again, give it. Just click on the again icon again. The first icon.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. Now I think. Yes. Okay, so now see for example, if you check this command and see and give the clear command to clear the screen. Now the
Yes.
command is for example IP address. This is the command for IP address.
Yes,
Okay, in
correct.
this
Yeah.
command there are so many output over here. Okay,
Yes. Yeah.
now you don't want to see all the output. You only want to see the IP address. So if you see over here, the IP address, the line with the IP address starts with inet, INET.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what you will do, you will give the command IP address, you will put a pipe of this command, you will run the grep command and you will search for the word inet. Now see,
Okay.
it will show you
Okay.
only those lines which are starting with inet, which contains inet, not starting with. It will only
Okay.
show you
Okay.
those
Yes.
lines which contains inet. You can also, if you want a space, for that you'll have to give it under single quote. Now I want the
Okay.
inet space. Now see, it will only search for the line which contains inet.
Okay. Got it now.
So this is the grep command. And the second
Yeah. What?
RPM command is the Red Hat package manager. So normally what happens if you want to install any software package on your on your system VM, okay, you can do
Okay.
it by
Okay.
installing the RPM. It's a package called an RPM, Red Hat package manager. So in
Okay.
that in this command, what you are doing is that
Yeah.
yes, when you run RPM minus QA, Q means query, Q is for
Okay.
query, A is for all. So now when you run this
Okay.
command, it will show you all the packages which are installed on your VM. See, these are all the
Okay.
packages which are installed on the VM. There are so many packages.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, there are so many packages. If you want to count how many packages are there, you have to pipe and give it to WC minus L. Word count and line. So how many packages are installed on your Linux system? 1153. Now out of this
Okay.
1153, if you want to search for the packages for your SAP related
Okay.
packages, so you can give this command. It will search for SAP related packages. Minus I is for case insensitive. Minus I
Okay.
is for case insensitive. Now, if you see the output, it is also
Yes.
showing you the SAP which is in small letters, and it is also
Yes.
showing you SAP which is in capital letter. So since we have given
Okay.
minus I case insensitive, it is
Yeah.
finding both of it. If you don't give minus
Okay.
I, it will only search for small letters, small
Okay.
SAP.
Okay. Got it now.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Now go
Yeah.
on.
Thanks.
Muzaffar, can you just see the WhatsApp?
Yes, yes, I'm seeing it. Okay, you do one thing, Azam.
Yeah.
Don't open the WhatsApp in your laptop. You can
Yeah,
use this
just I'm
from
not.
your.
Okay, just
Can
I'm
you
just
just open? Can you just open MSTSC?
yeah. After opening MSTSC, it's showing Windows security. You just have to enter the PIN and all that.
It is
Company
not allowing you
credentials.
to open. Postpoint December.
Enter the credentials after entering
But
the
it,
MSTSC.
but why it is showing you remote host www.whatsapp.com?
Oh, that thing is different. After the second pick I have sent. No? After entering that RDP, it's
Okay,
showing
okay,
like
yes,
this.
yes. Okay. In these connections, okay, click on more choices. Click on more choices.
No, I can enter the PIN. I know the PIN. So just I want to know anything
No, no, you don't
like
have to enter PIN. You can click on more choices. You can click on different user. Actually, when you're opening this MSTSC, it is asking you to log in with your default domain user.
okay.
So that is why it is asking you the PIN for it. You don't have to do the PIN. Just click on more choices. Click on different user and give the user which I have shared with you.
Okay, done.
You give the PIN, it will try to log in to this Bayesian host with your domain user. It will not work. So were you able to log in?
Yeah, I have logged in.
Then it's good. Now once you're inside the Bayesian host, you can open the AnyDesk window and I will connect to that AnyDesk.
In Bayesian Node, I have to download the AnyDesk.
Then it is already there. We have you executed that command from your Excel sheet.
Yeah, I have executed that command.
So it has downloaded all the software in your C drive packages folder. Just go into C drive packages. There is AnyDesk software in there. Just double click on it and share me the ID.
Muzaffar, one more thing. What is the set pressure host name?
Okay, 1 minute. Where are you? Where is the what is
Yeah, here set pressure host name is there, no?
set Azure?
Yeah, no, set pressure host name. This is the fourth one, OS setup.
Okay, for setup fourth one. Yes, set preserve underscore
Yes,
hosting. Acha, this is
yes, yes.
this is one setting for your cloud VMs. If your VM is on cloud na, you need to set
Okay,
this parameter because if this parameter is not set na, then
okay,
maybe after reboot or something, your cloud provider will change your host name to the default one.
okay,
Okay, so if you don't want
yeah.
your cloud provider to change your host name, this is the parameter that you have to set.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay,
Muzaffar, I have shared
Dinesh.
you the.
Yes, sir, Dinesh. What have you? Yes, no, Azam. 1 minute. Yes, sir. 750 Okay, just click on that remote, accept remote.
I have to click the I am aware over the risk.
Yes. See, this is a patient node. This is not your company's PC.
After, yeah, I have to give the access, keyboard and mouse.
Yes, yes. Give access. You can click on first accept, then click on the keyboard mouse. Okay. Now here it is. Okay, so now this is your putty. You can just set the no need for changing. Just change the. If you want to change it, you can change the font console as session default settings. Save. Now 2050 send to desktop. Here is the 50. Now you can add your server now. Add server 10.39.1.4 HDD Wave 1. Now this is your VM. Now you can access your VM. Can you see? Now
Okay.
log in this VM. Will you be
So
able
can
to
you just
open your
can you just
yes.
share that Excel sheet here in the desktop?
Okay, but it is not open because you don't have the software in this version.
Okay.
You get my point.
Excel is not.
Even if I copy it for you, it will not open up. So can't you open that Excel sheet in from your laptop?
I will try. Blocked. I can't able to open that one. It is
Then you
blocked.
have to type. You have to type everything. You can now open your Excel sheet on your other PC. If your PC is working, then you can open this version of on the PC itself.
Just copy the Excel sheet, sir. I will check it. I will try to open in Excel only. Google Chrome.
I'm not able to paste it here. Let me check from file transfer. Okay, because you have not allowed me file transfer. You have to allow me file 1 minute. Let me see the file. This is can you click on the second icon, file transfer? Okay. I have uploaded on your desktop. Yes, can you see? Right click.
Yeah.
Open with Google Docs. Just try it if you can. Okay. Just Dinesh and Anand, where are you?
Yeah, can you explain that command number 7, configure DNS?
Okay, configure DNS. Okay, so yes, sir. You have to again give me the permission. Just uncheck the keyboard and mouse and again check it. Because I have 3 AnyDesk window open, so this permission is getting lost. Yes, Dinesh, can you open your AnyDesk window and uncheck the keyboard mouse icon and again check it?
Okay. Uncheck keyboard mouse.
Open the, yes, open this one. Yeah, yeah. I think I got it. I
Yeah,
got
it's
access.
already
Yeah.
done.
One minute. Okay, so now, now if you see, this is your file etcresolve.com. Okay, so earlier before you did this command, this was not here. Okay, this is not this is called as your DNS suffix. This is called as your DNS suffix. If you see in your Windows also, this is your Bayesian host. If you go in your Bayesian host and clicking over in this icon, sorry, right click, open network and settings. Okay, Ethernet, change adapter options. Right click, properties. IP4 properties, advanced. Okay, can you see this tab, DNS tab over here?
Yes, yes.
DNS server addresses in use of order. Here, if you see this second option, append primary connection specific DNS suffixes. So normally, what happens if you click on this append this DNS suffix in order? If I give this over here, for example, if I give solutrix.ir, okay. Now, what will happen if you try to open any, if you try to have a DNS lookup for any like host name, it will add this DNS suffix to that host name.
Okay, okay,
Okay, so this is called the DNS suffix. I'm showing it on Windows. The same setting can also be done on your Linux system.
okay,
So previously, if you see previously, this was the DNS suffix. Now if you do if you search for this host name, for example, if you check this DNS lookup for your host name. No, sorry, NS lookup for your host name. So if type is trying to find this one. Let me vi/ttp. I'm reverting back to the previous setting. I copied this one and removing this one.
okay.
So I'm now going back to the previous older. Can you see?
Yeah, it's an old name.
Previously, when I gave the ns lookup command, it added this host name. Sorry, this domain name with the host name. Okay, why? Because this was before this DNS this domain name was before this domain name. So it tried to add this suffix DNS suffix to your host name, and it was trying to resolve this host name. But what happened? It failed. Okay, because this domain name is not known in your Azure's DNS server. But if you check, this domain name is known. This is the host name, fully qualified host name. This is resolvable. It is getting resolved.
Okay,
So that is it. So now, yes, you can now go ahead.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, Azam. Yeah, Azam, you there?
Just opening the
So
another
I'm doing
system.
one thing.
Laptop.
I'm copying this Office file onto your computer. So you can install MS Office on this Bastion host. You get it?
Okay.
So you can directly install this Bastion host on your sorry MS Windows Access in the Bastion host and you can use it. So I started to upload it. Packages. Inside this packages, there it is. Once it's complete, I will let you know. Then you can install it. It's going to take.
It's getting copied.
Yes, but it is taking a lot of time. It is around 1 GB. The software is of 1 GB
Okay.
and it is now only 4 or 5 MB has populated. This is going to take a lot of time and maybe hours also. So, yes, Dinesh, you're waiting for something.
No, no, I'm just moving one by one.
Uh-huh. Good, good. Okay, I think Anand has now moved up to the file system creation.
Yeah, Muzaffarji, this SAP tune, the system has not yet been tuned. Okay, enable active. You're on mute if you are speaking.
Sorry, it was on mute. I was speaking to myself only. Okay, so now what happens? See, if you go above your SAP tool, this was disabled. If you see, it was disabled.
Yes.
Okay, now when you give this command, it has enable start. After enable start, it has enabled that service on your PC, on your VM. The SAP tool service is now enabled, but you have not configured this VM for any solution. Which solution? SAP solution. Okay, if you give the command, this command SAP solution list. SAP solution list. Okay, so these are the different solutions which are available. You can enable any of this solution. If you enable the solution, for example, if you enable the HANA solution, it will configure your operating system based on the recommendation of all these SAP nodes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. I was looking that these disabled and active disabled. Okay.
Muzaffar, what is XFS file system? This is an XFS.
Here, yes, the XFS file system is same as your NTFS. Okay, in your
Okay,
older
yeah.
version, you had this FAT file system, then came the FAT16, then the FAT32. And then
Okay.
afterward, the latest one which Windows use is NTFS file system, new technology file system. So same that file system is your file system for Linux systems also. You can
Okay.
format your partition with different kind of file systems. So earlier you had this ext3, then came ext4, then you also had this Riser FS, then you have this what was the last one? BTRFS. Then the
Okay.
normally nowadays for your high end like corporate requirements, for your enterprise requirement, you use XFS.
Okay. Done. Thank you.
Muzaffarji, can you explain that swap command?
Yes, yes, 1 minute. Yes, which let me. Yes, which one?
Yeah, first one I just CP space slash
Okay, so you are taking a backup of this file. So this is the file etcwagent.com. So what you are doing, you're copying this file to a new file and you are adding the date, today's date in front of that file. So you are taking a backup of this file. Now, if you see the files over here, etcwagent star. If you give the ls file name star, so it will show you all the files. So this is your current file, and this is the file that you have copied from that current file.
Okay.
This is your today's date.
Okay. Okay. Then this SED minus I.
Yes, 1 minute. Okay, so now see, there is a parameter resource this format. This parameter is there in your current file. Now I can use the grep command, grep resource dot format from your this file, current file. So what is the parameter? It is y. Can you see?
Yes, yes.
But again, if you check the parameter in your backup file, can you see the parameter in your backup file? What is the value?
It's no.
No. So by this sed command, what you are doing with the sed command, you are going inside this file, okay, and you are changing this line, the whole line containing resource disk dot format n, and you are changing with this value is equal to y. Got it?
Okay. So SCD SET.
Yes, SED, I think it's a streamline editor, or I forgot the complete full form of this. It is an editor, so it is similar to your like VI. So you can change the file, you can change the content of the file without going inside the file.
Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
the reason for is this, see, because when we are doing the configuration, there are a lot of configuration. Okay, so while explaining, while taking the class, every time I go into VI command and do the changes and come back, it will take a lot of time for doing all this, making changes manually through VI command. So that is the reason I have automated everything. Just copy paste, copy paste, copy paste.
And purpose
And
for changing this parameter?
yes, come again. What?
Purpose for changing this parameter.
We are setting the this swap file system. We are configuring swap file system for your VM. Sorry, if you see this if you see the over here, we are changing four parameters in your VM. The first one is to resource disk format, yes, so it will format your disk. Second one, you are changing the mount point from slash mnt to from sorry slash from slash mnt slash resource.
Okay.
Okay, now if you see, I think I'm not able to.
Yes, this
Can you
one.
again give me that author permission? Yes, I just uncheck it and again check it. Just check it again. Yes. No. Okay. So now this was one parameter format. This is equal to yes. Now if you check another parameter, there is something. If you check all the lines which contain the resource disk, so these are the parameters. So one is the format. So format by default it is no in your file. Okay. Then the file system it is the ext4. So what changes we are going is that first is we are changing the format for file system format, yes. Then we are changing this parameter, we are changing this from slash mnt to mnt resource. So
Yes.
what will happen when you create when it will create your SAP file, it will create into slash mnt, not in slash mnt slash resource. And
Okay.
then enable swap, by default it is no, so we are making it yes. We are changing enable swap to yes. And the third one, we are setting the swap size. So we'll set the swap size to 2 GB 2048, and the file system will change it to swap. So these are the four changes that we are making. First one is the resource this format, yes. Second, we are changing the file system to this one, we are changing the mount point from slash mnt to slash sorry mnt resource to mnt. Then we are changing the file system to swap, and then the size to 2 GB. Is that
Okay.
clear?
Yes, yes.
Muzaffar. Now, just
Yes,
let me know.
Azam.
Just okay, my system is okay now.
It's okay now. Okay, I'm just canceling the copy now. So I don't think we'll need that copy now.
No. I
So
want that I want that on my that version host.
what you
Did you
want?
cancel that one? That office.
But it only copied up till 80 MB till now, and it has to copy up to 950 MB. So anyhow, it was
Okay,
not going to
so
complete in the next maybe like it would have take more than 4 or 5 hours to copy.
With the help of putty also, we can move the files, right?
You can move the files, but you can if you want to copy paste the command, then how will you do that if you cannot open it over here? Do you get my point?
Yeah, if the Excel is getting open in that system, so we
Then you
can.
can then you can copy paste from here to there. No, that's easy for you.
So if I able to download that in Gmail, and we can again the opening issue is there. Right.
Yes, you can do that. Let me check. Okay, first we'll delete this one. Just delete this folder, this office. And let me try if I can upload that onto the tab. But maybe I'm making some space in my Gmail drive. So you can do one thing, Azam.
Huh.
You there? What you can do is that open your you have installed Google Chrome, na? Open your Gmail Drive account from your Google Chrome. Upload this file, this Excel sheet on your Google Drive, and open it into Google Sheets.
Okay.
Okay, you can disconnect for the time being if you're opening your typing any password if you want. You can open your Google Chrome. You can log into your Drive account and upload this Excel sheet on your Drive. Okay, I think Anand has finished everything. Anand,
Yeah, Muzaffar is finished. I
yes,
have
yes,
one
I
more
think you have
doubt.
finished.
What
Yes,
is the
yes.
use of echo and listen this file?
No, what's going to come again? What is the use of?
There is a echo command, no? Echo command BLKD. So
Yes,
can you
yes.
please
Echo
explain
command. See
that?
what happens now. Let me. One minute. Let me put. Yes. Now see echo. So now, for example, if I type any word after this echo, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So what it will do? It will just echo it on the screen.
Yes.
Echo command means you see you know the literal meaning of echo. What happens in a echo? You shout something and that will come again back to you.
Yes.
So you see if after the echo command, whatever you type after the echo command. Okay, for
Okay.
example, echo echo I am a boy. So it will echo it back to you.
Okay.
Okay, now what happens instead of this? If I click on a single arrow key, a single greater than sign, and if I
Okay.
redirect it to a file, okay, if I redirect it to a file called as myself, tmp
Okay.
myself, echo I am a boy. Now it will
Okay.
not give you the output on the screen.
Okay.
What happens if you see the content of the file tmp myself? Now
Okay.
here you will see the content. Though instead of giving the content on the screen, it
Okay.
redirected the content to a file.
Okay. Okay.
So single greater than means it will overwrite. See now if I give Muzaffar over here, okay, if I redirect it to myself, if I
Okay.
redirect to myself, now if I see the content, you can see the content now here is Muzaffar.
Yes. Yes.
The reason is that because of single greater than sign. Now here instead of I am a boy, if I type
Okay.
double greater than,
Okay.
okay, if I type double greater than, and if I see the content, now can you see the
So
content?
Mujaffer. Yes. Yes. I got it
Okay,
now.
it has appended the content at the end of the file.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so now that's it. Now here, for example, if you type anything,
Yes.
okay, I type again, and now again if you see the content of that file, can you see?
Yes. 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 I seen.
So it is redirecting the command, the words into some other file.
Okay.
Okay, that is it. So you can do this also. See, for example, now if you type, the connection got closed. Anand,
Yeah. It is okay. I'm giving
I
now.
think there's some issue with my net connection. I'll just
Okay.
disconnect and connect again. Just give me 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Yes, please accept this connection, Dinesh. And then 475. Yeah, this is for Anand. You also please accept the connection request. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, Muzaffar, we can hear. Yes, yes.
Yes, you are waiting for something, Dinesh.
No,
You are
no, I'm
not.
just moving
Yes, yes.
command by command. I'm
Okay,
checking output.
no problem. Yes, Anand, accept my connection request. Okay, yes. So where were we? Okay, so Anand, yes, I was doing eco. So eco, for example, the name, the name of this computer is okay. So here you can type the host name of this computer. Can you see the name? Yes, Anand.
Yes. Yes. I'm able to see. I was in
Yes.
mood. Sorry. Yeah.
Uh, Can you again uncheck and check for the keyboard and mouse because I'm not getting an access.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I think you are able to open it, Azam. Yeah, Azam, you have to change the IP address for your VM. Azam, can you listen to me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, Muzaffar.
Okay, now here, see here in the red box. Can you see 10.5.1.44? I think you have to change it to 10.39. So once you change this IP address, every in the next command it will change automatically. Okay,
Where I have to change?
here in the red box, the red command, red box. In the same the Excel sheet that you open here in the red box. Can you see? It is highlighted.
We can't able to change that one.
1 minute. Open with Google Sheets. Okay, I will just close this one.
We will move this.
Now I have opened the Google Sheets. So now you can edit it. Can you see? Now you can edit it. Now you can just scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, can you see this box over here? Okay, and then you can now, can you see? You can now change it. 10 dot. Got it. Now here you can
10 dot.
10.39. Okay, this is the IP. Continue editing. Continue editing. So here it is 10.39.1.4. Okay. Now you can go in the second sheet, OS sheet, and if you see over here, see it has changed here 10.39.1.4. This IP address. So now you can start with this from the top one. You can start with the login with the user and all this thing. Okay. And you can just click over here. Oh, yes, and it will be yes. That's good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes, Anand, can you just uncheck this keyboard and mouse and again check it?
Yeah, sure, I'm doing it.
I have to work on putty.
Yes. Just wait. Just wait. Give me 1 minute. I think behaving. So, is there any button press from your and Anand?
Once again.
Again, just click on this.
Yeah, can
yes.
you please check now? Yes, okay, yeah.
Now, okay, so here can you see what I typed? The name of this
Yeah.
computer is HDD Day 1.
Yes, correct.
Okay, but here
Yeah.
I have here it is fixed. Okay, here the command
Yeah.
is fixed. For example, if I change the name of this computer, again it will show this only. It will not show. Okay, it is not dynamic. Okay, so what
Okay.
you can do is that instead of this command, what I can do, you can remove this host name. You can
Okay.
click double backtick, two backtick. Inside
Okay.
this, you can type the host name command.
Okay.
Now, if you enter it, now it is showing you this is coming from the host name. Okay, for
Okay. Yeah.
example,
Yeah.
if you change the host name, if you change the host name to Anand PC. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
changing the host name to Anand PC. Can you see?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Now, if I again run the echo command, the name of this
Okay.
computer is host name. Can you see the
Okay.
output?
On this. Yes. Yes. I have seen.
Okay, so this is how you use this one. So what I'm command I'm giving over here in the
Okay.
above, if you see this, so this is the command. Can you see this backtick?
Yeah. Yeah. Backtick. Yes.
Inside this backtick, I'm running this command. This is the whole command. Can you see this is the whole command? So if you want to see
Okay.
the output, you can just copy this command without the backtick. Copy this
Okay.
command, okay, and enter it in your prompt and enter.
Okay.
You see, this is the output of your command. So this is the block ID. If you just run the block ID, this is the block
Okay.
ID. So these are all the block
Okay.
IDs of your system, the partitions in your system. So inside
Okay.
this block ID, I'm clicking grab HANA data. So if you see over here, this is the HANA data. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
I am if you just break this command, so I'm running block ID and then grep HANA data.
Gripen.
It will
Okay.
it will only find that line which contains HANA data. And
Yes,
in
yes.
that HANA data, I am running the awk command to check for the second column or the second value.
Okay.
Okay, this is
Yes,
the whole
yes.
command. So now if you run the whole command, it will only show you this value. This is the
Okay.
value which I want, only this value.
Okay. Okay.
So in this way, and if you see over here in this echo command, what you am doing, I am taking this value and I am redirecting it. Can you see? I am redirecting this value where I am redirecting it to
Yes, yes.
FSTech.
It FST. Okay.
That is it. Okay. Now
Yeah.
go ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I think you are done, Dinesh.
Yes, yes, Muzaffarji. Can you
I
explain the
think
this OS last command quickly?
yes. 1 minute. Which command? Yes, Dinesh. Can you please which command?
Last command is that in OS is configure swap. No, no, no. Sorry.
No, configure. So you have
Configure
already done
file system.
configure.
Configure file
Okay, so
system.
which command? Which command you want?
Like
Which command you want?
PVS, VGS, and LVS three command
Okay,
are
see, normally what yes, what we are doing is that now you can direct see you have worked on Windows. Okay, yes, Dinesh,
yes,
you have worked on Windows, na?
yes, no, yes,
Okay, so in Windows, have you created any new partition and then formatted it? Have you done that?
yes, yes,
Okay, so what normally you do, you add a disk into your Windows system and then you go over here. After adding the disk into Windows system, I'm not able to type. Can you just
okay, okay,
okay, so yes, just give me 1 minute. Let me. Okay. Yes,
okay,
Azam, I'm on your PC. Okay, you have added the system. Here it is. Now you can just start working, Azam. See,
Ah,
this is the
the
username.
system
Sysadmin.
is
See, this is the username. Control C, paste it over here. Okay, enter again. Then go over here. This is the password. Control C and paste it over here. Enter. See, now we have logged into the VM. This is your
okay.
VM. Now you can start move forward. These are the commands for doing your OS check to check what are the different like the configuration of your operating system and everything. And after this, from here you have to start setting up your operating system.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Just move on. Like if you have any doubt, just let me know.
Okay, fine.
So now I'm back with Dinesh. Yes, Dinesh.
yes,
If you have not got access to your, can you just uncheck and check it again?
okay,
Yes, got it. Okay, so this is your disk management utility. Now you can
yes,
see the disks which are attached to your VM. Now,
yes,
what you can do, you can add another disk. When you add another disk, it will show you in this list. This is disk number 0, then you have disk number 1, then you will have disk number 2.
yes, correct.
The new disk will be shown as disk number 2. You can just right click over here, like you can right click over here. You can create a partition on that, and then you can right click and you can format it.
Yes,
As soon as you
exactly.
format it, it will be visible in your Windows Explorer.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so now same thing goes over here. Now the first command lsblk. So if you see this command, this will show you how many disks is attached to your VM. Okay, so if you see over, these are the disks which are attached to your VM, SDA. This size is of 30 GB. This is the disk SDA. Then we have another disk which is SDB. This is of 64 GB. Then we have a disk SDC, SDD, and SDE. These are the three disks which are attached to your VM. Now, what you are doing is that instead of directly creating single partition on each of these disk, what you are doing, you are creating a partition. Now, you are using LVM, Logical Volume Manager, to create your partition. Now, what happens in Logical Volume Manager? What it does? So instead of creating one disk of 100 GB, okay, instead of creating one disk of 100 GB, what I am doing is that I have taken three different disks of 33, 33, 33 GB.
Yes.
Okay, I splitted the 100 GB partition into three disks. On my operating system, the file system or the partition will show as 100 GB only. But in the background, in the OS level, it will be splitted across three disks. So the benefit of this is that when I try to write a file if I try to copy on this copy or write on this partition, okay, so instead of writing on one disk, it will simultaneously write on all the three disks. Okay, so for example, if I'm writing a file of 1 GB, so instead of writing 1 GB file on one disk, it will be splitted across three disks. So, 330 MB will be written on one disk, 330 MB will be written on second disk, and 330 MB will be written on the third disk. So instead of taking 10 minutes for the waiting to copy the file on the disk, it will complete within 3 minutes.
If one disk fail, then we will use data.
Yes, you will lose the data because see, there is no fault or tolerance in that. We are only what we are using. We are only using striping. You are only using the facility of striping. There is no fault tolerance.
Like in window, we create RAID and in
Yes,
background it
exactly. So
write on multiple
this is
disks.
an example of RAID 0.
Okay.
Okay, what I'm showing you, this is an example of RAID 0.
Normally we use 2 disks in RAID 0, but here we are using 3.
Yes, see, in RAID 0 you can use multiple disks also. Striping you can use multiple disks. RAID 1, in RAID 1 you have to use even number of disks.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, in a RAID 0 also, if you are doing mirroring, then you use even number of disks. For striping, you can use many number of disks. It's not like that you can use only two disks or 4 disks or something like that.
For getting performance here, we are like using
Yes, this is for performance. Now, when you are speaking, if one of the disks fails, so the failing of the disk, actually, this is now this fault tolerance. This is looked after by Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft Azure is guaranteeing you that whatever disk you are getting, it will not get failed because they have had some backup mechanism from their side.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So only to increase the I/O, we are spreading it into three different disks. So these are the three different disks: SDC, SDD, and SDE.
Okay. Can you open that same commands in that Excel?
Yes. Mhm.
So that
So this
PVS
first three
VCs.
command. This is the physical volume scan. Okay, so now what happens when you add a disk, when you want to configure LVM on the disk? So first thing that you need to do, you need to create physical volume on the disk. You cannot directly go and add that disk into a volume group. So before adding the disk into volume group, you need to create this physical volume. After creating the physical volume, then you need to create a volume group. When you create the volume group, you will add all these physical volumes inside the volume group. Now you can create, now the third step is for creating logical volumes. Now you can create logical volumes on the disks which are there in your volume group.
Okay.
Let me check. See, there is another sheet library in the end of here. There is a sheet called as library. I don't remember whether I have saved LVM or not over here. No, it is not here. I had some very good article on LVM. The next LVM step by step or tutorial. I think this is it. Linux User Guide to Logical Volume Management. Okay, here this is the one. So if you want to understand what is actually LVM, so this is over here. Can you see? These are the file systems. This is coming from below. So this is your physical hard disk. The bottom, the bottom. See, these are your physical layer. This is the physical hard disk.
Yes.
So what you have done, you have added 3 physical hard disks.
Yes.
And if you see the sizing, see they don't have this don't have to be equal in size. See, if you see the middle disk is greater in size than the other disk.
Yeah.
Okay, out of this 3 disks, what you do, you create a partition. This is your physical volume there. Sorry, you create a physical volume on top of this. So you are creating a physical volume for your hard disk, which is also called as your PV. Out of this physical, after creating a physical volume, you are creating a volume group for all the. After creating a volume group, you add all the physical volumes inside the volume group. After that, from that volume group, you will be creating different sizes of logical volume. After you create the logical volume, then you will format the logical volume with the file system. So if you see, this is the step number. Okay, so this is your step number 1. So this is your physical drive. So here in this command, if you check over here, when you run the ls block command, if you run the ls block command, this is showing your physical disk. This command is showing you your physical disk. This one.
Yes.
Okay. Then if you go in this is the physical. Now here you are creating your this is your second number step. You are creating physical volume. So if you go in your step, so this command, so that sorry, this one. If you go the second command, the previous command is actually your this one. So here you are creating no, not this one, the PV crate. So in the previous PV crate, you are actually creating a physical volume, the second option, PV crate. Then in the third option, you are creating your VG group. So this is for your VG crate. Okay, so here this is the first option where you are running LSDLK. This is the option. Second option here where you are running. This is the second option where you are running your PV create command. This is for your PV create. Then again, this is here where you create your VG create. You are creating the volume group here. See here in the fourth one, you are giving the LV create command. And the last option over here, you are running the MKFS. You are creating the file system. You are creating the MK make file system. So if you see over here in this Excel sheet, so this is the ls block command where here then you're creating the PV create, then VG create, then LV create, then you are creating your file system NKFS.
Okay.
And then after that you are adding this value inside your etcfs file. So the next time when you reboot your VM, so at the time of reboot, at the time of booting up, it will read the etcfs file and it will mount all these partitions. It will mount all these partitions at boot time.
Okay. Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes. Yes. Can you know that page that on
I
Firefox?
can't get you what?
Firefox. Yes. Yes.
Yes, here, yes. Okay,
So here we are from volume group under that VZ there are 3 physical disks, but we are creating 2 partition.
yes, it's up to you. You can create multiple partition. If you see our example, we are creating 4 partitions.
Yes.
Okay, so this is your as per your requirement.
Okay.
You can
Okay.
create 1 partition, you can create 2 partition, any number of partition as per your requirement.
Yes. Sir. Clear. Thank you.
This is also a good example. This is also a good link over here. See, you have this physical disk SDA1, SDP, SDC1. Then you are creating physical volume. Then you are creating a volume group, and in this volume group, you are creating different logical volumes.
Can you please ping this link in chat? Sir?
Yes, I will ping this link in the chat. Plus, I will also add this in the library sheet at the end. So here in the library sheet, okay, I'm also adding the second link. This is for open source. This is the technique. So here I have done this. Okay, now I'm putting it into the chat window also. So this is for open source. Yes, I pasted in the text window both the links.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, Anand, I think you have not moved forward after that. Anand?
Uh, yes, I am doing now. I just I was listening what you are saying
Yes,
that.
you have completed the OS sheet. Na? Now open the
Yes.
install sheet.
Okay. Yeah, I'm doing. So shall
Yes,
I
open the
start the
install
installation?
sheet.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, the first command you have to paste in your command prompt of your Bayesian host.
Okay.
See the packages, you have to copy the AZ copy utility, not the
Okay.
Windows utility, the Linux utility and the SAP Linux utility inside your VM.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
You'll have to practice more on the Linux command because I think that none of you are not that you can say comfortable with the Linux command line.
Yes,
And if you want to
exactly.
master HANA database, you have to master the command line.
Yes. Okay. Can you please share me if you have any some important comments in the with the big discussion so that we
I
can
will,
read it
I
and we can
will,
understand.
I will share it with you. Last time I got, let me see in the downloads,
Yes.
90s Linux, 90s. There I received some PDF for the Linux command, HANA partitioning, the file. See, basic Linux command, this year again.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Please share it. Yeah.
Basic Linux command. So I am I will upload this on your in a chat box.
Okay. That's great.
Your computer. This is, basic Linux command. Okay, I've sent it in the chat box. You can download it now.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. I'll download
Yes, Dinesh, you're waiting for something.
No, 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 but OS part done.
Yes, yes. Yes, please start with the install sheet.
Yes,
You have to
okay.
complete the installation today. Huh?
Yes.
Just please excuse me for 2 minutes. Huh?
Muzaffar, can you please help me for installation steps? So I stuck here from starting.
Yeah, Dinesh.
Yes,
Yeah,
Madam.
Dinesh.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
actually, you pasted the commands in the wrong window. Chmod command and this az copy command will go on your Linux VM. You just have to copy this binary from your Bayesian host into the VM, and then you have to execute the command over there.
Over putty.
Yes. Yes, Anand, you are facing some problem. What is it? Yeah, Anand, can you hear me,
Yes,
Anand?
Muzaffar, yes, yes. I'm not able to download. Can you please see my screen?
Okay, so actually I'm
Yeah.
not getting your control. Can you just again change it?
Yes, yes. I'll be.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now see here this command you have to run in this window.
Yeah, yes,
This
yes.
is the
Yeah.
window where you have to run this command.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Correct. Yes.
So just copy this command PSVT. Now what actually you are doing, you are copying these two files, AZ copy files. See these files
Okay.
are there in your C drive package. This is the AZ copy file.
Yes, yes.
This is the file for Windows. This AZ copy is for Windows. This is for Linux. And this is the
Okay.
SAP car for Windows and this is the SAP car for Linux. So you're copying
Okay.
both this file, AZ copy and SAP car in your Linux VM.
Okay.
So
Okay. Got it.
copy
Okay.
this command. Now copy this command in your command prompt. Okay,
Okay.
enter.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Host does
Then
not exist. Okay, you forgot something. Okay, here see now if you see, can you see my screen?
yes, yes. I'm able to see.
So here you forget this thing. You didn't make this entry in your okay. If you shit, again it has
It's gone again. Gone.
so this is stupid. I need this actually. Teamweaver is
Yeah.
good, but Teamweaver they don't now give it for free.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so now if you run this command, no, not this PSCD command, the type command.
Yeah. Okay.
In this type command, no, I'm not able to sync. Okay, type that command. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah. I do. Is it what I have to type? Yeah.
copy paste the type command. Can you see my screen on this OS sheet?
No,
You
I'm
go
not able
into
to see.
this command. It is in your E35 box. E35 box. Type command.
Okay, okay, yeah, E35. Okay.
Okay, so you have downloaded Dinesh. Your download is complete.
Yes, yes.
Very good. Now you can start the installation.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, Anand.
Yeah, Manish this side.
Yes, Manish.
Yeah, actually, I just want to know certain queries
Uh,
I have.
yes. Tell
Like,
me.
how will we define the number of CPU given to
Define the
that
number of
DB
CPU.
part? Yeah.
TV.
No, no. Number of
Uh,
CPU, number of RAM. How can we define for the DB? HANA DB.
for the database. See, it is you
Yeah.
cannot define the CPU and memory for the database. Okay, let me get it clarified for you. See, while
Mm-hmm.
creating the VM, when you create the VM, for example, if it's a VM, okay,
Mm-hmm.
while creating the VM, for example, in AWS Cloud or in Azure Cloud or in Google Cloud, while creating the VM, you can define how many CPUs and memory you want to assign to that VM.
Yeah, that's I want to know. Means
Ah,
what is the base? Means if we want to give 4 or 5, how can we
see,
define for that
can you see
VM
my
only?
screen? Can you see my
Yeah,
screen over here?
yeah. I'm saying it.
So here you have an option to create. You create a click on the Azure machine. You
Mm-hmm.
click on the Azure machine.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here you can see you can give a name. First, you have to give the resource group. For example, I'm selecting a resource group something this 42. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
machine name. You can give any name for your machine. So
Mm-hmm.
now in the cloud option, you cannot assign CPUs and memory directly. What you need to do, you need to select the size. So if you see, you can click on all see all sizes. When you click on see all sizes, you can see the sizes. See, this is the size BS1 B2. So it
No,
contains
it is
one vCPU. Yes.
no. It is already defined in the VM, right?
Okay. Now what? So
But
what?
how? No. But how we can define it? Just just we want to create for some client. So
Mhm.
how we can give them proposal like you can buy 5 or you can buy for the 6 CPU or 8 CPU. That's I
Okay.
want
So
to
you're
know.
talking. You see, you're talking about Windows sizing. So you wait for wait today. Tomorrow, I think we'll take this topic of. I think I'll brief you about the
Okay,
Windows
yeah. I
sizing.
want to know whether sizing, yeah, right.
Then we'll discuss it tomorrow. No issue.
And about the mount point also, mount point sizing also.
Yes. What is the query about
Yeah,
mount point?
means how can we define mean number of means how can we define the size for slash HANA slash
Okay,
DB
okay. So you can do one thing.
logs.
Keep your query on hold. Tomorrow we'll
Mm-hmm.
be taking. Tomorrow we'll be completing the theory part. So,
Okay. Then
very
it's
good.
okay.
So now topics installation. So the second is the installation. In the installation topic, we have this SAP HANA sizing.
Okay. Yeah, we have
Now
that.
you can take up the sizing, and then you have the mount points also. We have all these mount points, SAP HANA file system layout,
Yeah,
single SID,
just I mean to
multiple
say.
SID. So
Yeah.
after tomorrow's class, if you still have any doubt, you can just ask in after the end of the class. So in between when we are explaining, you can just ask it. No issues about that.
Okay.
I think I
Thank
forgot
you.
to add the HANA sizing in the content. Let me add it in the content. HANA architecture, HANA installation, HANA sizing. So I've added HANA sizing also. HANA sizing. I think today's day must have been very boring for you, huh, Manish?
Muzaffar, can you please see my screen? So there
Yes,
was,
yes,
yeah,
city host resort. Yes, see, I see. So you executed this type command, na?
yeah.
Okay, but in your host file, there is no entry for this system HDB day one. So that is the
Okay,
reason it is not able to see. It says host does not exist. It is not able to resolve that link. So
okay.
now, if you go see, you have typed this from the CE35 na box. You
Yes,
type
yes.
this command. Na? Now you have to type the E34 box. Copy the E34 and type, paste it there.
Okay,
Okay, and after that, you can just check to ping this command, the E37. Now
okay,
copy the E34.
okay. E34. Okay.
Yes, Muzaffarji.
Yes, tell me this.
That extraction done, why we are adding that manifest and signature in last?
See, this is required while doing the installation. If you don't run this command, minor hyphen manifest and signature, okay, it will extract it. The packages will be extracted, but after that, when you run the installation command, it will give you an error. Okay, now you can do one thing. Just come out of this command.
Oh, one more.
You can click on Control C. You can press Control C. Okay, run ls command. So here is the signature.smf file. Now you can do one thing. Just rename this file. Rename. I'm renaming this file. Not remove. Just move it. MB signature.smf. I am making it signature.smf.back. Okay, I have renamed this file. Now you run the installation command. Now if you run the installation command, see what it gives you.
Oh, one more. The solution command.
Yes, Dinesh.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, yes, Anand.
Yes, Muzaffar.
Anand, you didn't updated your Excel sheet, Anand. See,
Okay,
can you see it is taking 10.5.1.4.
okay, okay. One second. Okay,
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me.
yeah.
This is the type command. It has taken 10.5.1.4. So let me now, instead of the type
Okay, yeah.
notepad. So here, instead of this, it will be 42. Here is 42, na?
Yes, yes. 42. Yes, correct.
Yes, save it and
Okay,
then come back. Now again, if you run the type command,
okay.
this is it. Now if you ping your HDB day one, now it is
Yeah.
pinging.
Right. Yes, yes. Ping now.
Now
Okay.
let me check if you have made this here also, it will give you error. etc
Okay.
host file.
Okay.
Here also you have
And
made this mistake. You didn't updated your Excel sheet.
yes, yes, correct.
Not 42. So you actually after this you have to run the ping command also. You forgot to run the ping command also. So that's why you are not able to cross check verify whether you have done it or not. So now if you run
Okay.
this ping command, now I should ping.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, now anywhere else if you need to make these changes, I don't think so. I think that was the only place where you need to make these changes. So, okay, now you can go ahead. Now you can run the PSCP command.
Yeah. Thank
From
you.
the yeah, you
Yeah.
can run the from the command from PSCP command.
Okay.
Yes, Muzaffarji.
Yes. Go on the up arrow key, Anand. The command is there. You just have to go up and you can check it.
There is one more command on Excel in the right hand side.
There is
/SAP
another
car -TF.
where TF that we see before extracting. Say X is for extracting. Okay.
XVF. Okay.
Before extracting, if you want to test whether the file is proper or not, whether the file is not corrupted, then you can run this TF. TF is for test. You can run the test command and you can test the archive whether it is corrupted or not. In case if it is corrupted, it will give an error. If the command runs successfully, then the file is not corrupted.
Okay.
You can run that command, copy paste it.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay.
Anand, you made some mistake. No, Anand, no, cancel it.
Cancel it? Okay.
No, 1 minute. This it will not. It should not open the browser. What have you done? Okay, let me check.
Yeah, please.
Here you don't. You have to just run the previous command. Can you see this command? It was giving you error, na?
Yes, correct. Yes.
Just run it again. Now it will not give you. See, now it is asking you store key.
Yes.
Press on Y and enter.
Okay. Why?
Y enter.
Okay.
Okay, now you have to give the password for your root user.
Yes. Root 1 to 3, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is done. Very good. Now you can go into your empty putty and you can run the ch. After the command, you have to run in your empty putty. The ch
Okay.
own and those commands.
Okay. Thank you. Yes.
Yes, you done, Dinesh?
Yes, that command just
Your command. Yes, now
when
this
I'm
is for testing.
pressing it, it's like
So it is giving the content of the file. If this file would be corrupted, it will give you an error.
okay.
Okay, so this is just for testing the archive file, whether it is proper or not.
Okay. And now I can run that installation.
Yes, you can do the installation. I think you have to do the move command. You have to rename the file SAP underscore HANA underscore database directory to the relevant name.
Okay.
D11.
That
Box number
MV
D11.
SAP HANA.
Yes.
That MV and SAP
Yes,
underscore
MV
HANA
files.
database. Okay.
MV, the shell number E11. D11, sorry, D11.
This one.
Yes, okay, you are in. Now click on ls command. So now you can see your directory has been renamed to this first one, bold one. This is the now name. The earlier name was this one. Okay, this was the previous name. Now we have renamed it to this name. So in the future, you will identify from the name of the directory like what is this name, because here it is not clear what is this directory for. Well, it is directory for HANA database, but which version it is not clear from the name. Okay.
Okay. And can we rename back that signature file we did?
You run the installation command. I want to show you the error message.
Okay. Let me just start.
So you can, if you want to do one by one option, you can select this one. You can run the /pkgs IMDb server, and then one by one you can provide the options over here. And in the last, when you click on Y and enter, it will give you the error. Or you can copy paste this whole command here, and you can paste it on your cookie screen.
Okay.
Okay, so you have downloaded HANA. Now you have to extract it. You have to run the command in this one, D9, cell D9,
Okay.
cd pkgs, then you have to extract it and then you have to rename it.
Yeah, I am doing now.
Yeah, Mustafa.
Yes, sir. Okay. You can you see you can follow the Excel sheet. Na? First is enter selected action index. So wherever this is for a selected. So when this option comes, you have to select one. Now this option is not in the Excel sheet. So just click on enter. Default value. You click on that screen and then click enter.
Yeah, okay. Now I will follow the Excel sheet.
Now here the default option is 3. If you click on enter, it will exit from the command. It will not do the installation. So you have to select one. Select one and enter. Okay, can you see? Read the error message. Read the error message.
Signature.smf cannot be found in the SAP HANA database installation kit. To include the signature when extracting the installation kit from a .char archive, use the SAP car option. Okay. Manifest signature. .smf. You can ignore this error and continue with the execution by passing this ignore option. Check signature file. Okay,
Yes, Anand, you can now start with the installation. Okay, you have to rename the directory. Don't forget to rename the directory.
Okay.
E11 cell D11 cell D11. Okay, now you have to rename it back to Deepak. You have to rename it back to the previous name. Capital.
Okay.
Yes, it is case sensitive. Caps lock is on.
Okay. So I can start now again.
Yes, you can start. Do you want to directly search the component? No, Anand.
Yes, Muzaffar.
Yes, Anand. See,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to just click on enter. See, in your Excel sheet, whatever, see, the first here it is enter selected action index. Okay, before that, if there is any other option which is not there in the Excel sheet, you just have to click on enter.
Okay, got
Just
it
select
now.
the default value. Now run Control C. Control C, come out of this command. Again run the up arrow key, enter.
Can I run it now?
Yes, enter.
Yeah, okay.
Now on that option, do you want to specify? Just click on enter. Whatever is not there in the Excel sheet, just press on the default value, enter. See, now this is in the Excel sheet. Enter selected in the yes, enter. One.
Okay.
One and enter.
Install path. Okay.
Okay, check in the Excel sheet. If this option is not there, enter.
Okay. The local.
Yes, 1 minute, Anand, we made a mistake. Control C.
Okay. Okay.
Because the host name, it is taking the name which we changed after. We didn't change it back to the correct name. Control C.
Okay.
You can
Yeah.
control
Yeah.
C.
Yes.
Okay. Now run the command from your Excel sheet, the host name command. Or you can do one thing, Anand. Press Control R. Let's press Control plus R. Yes, Anand, see 1 minute. Control R. When you press Control R, you can search for the command, host name. Okay. Again,
Okay.
Control. 1 minute. You press Control C. Anand.
Yeah. Yes. Sorry.
Control R and
Okay.
then host name. Okay,
Okay.
can you see? Control
Yes.
R
Yes.
again.
Okay.
Control R.
Yes.
Control R.
Okay.
You get the correct command. Na?
Yeah. Yes. Correct.
Now just enter.
Okay.
Now if I check host name,
Yes. Correct now.
this is the correct name. Let me check inside the file also. etc host
Okay.
name.
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Now yes.
Yes.
Now you can run that. You can start the installation.
Okay.
Yes, Dinesh, waiting for something.
Yeah, I'm getting on apply system size dependent resource limit.
Yes, whatever is not in the Excel sheet, press enter.
Okay.
Now you have to do the password.
Okay.
This is the password for SAP ADM. This is the administrator user for your SAP host agent.
So SAP ADM, H4 ADM, and system same, all same.
Yes, it's up to you. But if you give anything different, you have to remember it where you have given which password. So it's better to keep it the same, simple and easy, so that you can remember in the future.
Okay. For system, it's not asking.
1 minute. Yes, what is it?
It asks for that SAP ADM, H4 ADM.
So 1 minute, 1 minute. It will ask afterwards. You continue. Just Anand, you can also copy paste also. Huh?
Yes, yes, I'm doing it. Yes.
Muzaffarji, these option like sepsis, user ID, login cell.
Yes, okay. Yes, Dinesh, you are asking something.
Yes, yes. This last option, last three option, like there is login
Okay.
cell, user ID, user group, sepsis.
This is the user it is creating the SID ADM user. Okay, this will be the home directory of that user.
Okay.
If you want to change it after the colon, you can define the new name over here, the new directory name. If you want to change it.
Okay.
Second is the login shell. When you log in with this user, the SID ADM user, H4D ADM user, what will be the login shell of that user? So by default, it is SH. Right click, duplicate. Why it becomes so slow? Okay. This is the file where it creates all the users, etc password.
Okay.
Okay, so now if you see, this is here in this is your home directory. This is the field for your home directory. So here it will define your home directory for the user. For the user that is going to create the SID ADM user, so this will be the home. It will put the home user directory over there. Okay, so this value will come on this field. The first value, this value. Then the
Okay.
second
Okay.
shell. What is the shell of that user? So if you see in the here, so for this user, the doc remap, the shell for this user is been false. It means the user will not be allowed to log into the system. Then for the sysadmin user, the shell is bin bash. Okay, bin bash. And for the user that you are creating, the SID ADM user, it will be /bin/sh. So the shell of the user. If you want to change the shell, you can change it from here. So by default, this is the shell. If you want to change, you can give the new shell after the colon. This is the user ID of the user. The user ID 1001. So if you see over here, okay, so the sysadmin user, it is started with the 1000. So the sysadmin user ID is 1000. So after sysadmin, it will be 1001. So it will create the user ID 1001, and then it will create a group SAP sys, and it will make the user H4D IDM a member of this group. So the group
Okay.
ID of it will be 79.
Okay.
After
Okay.
you create this user, after doing the installation, when you come and you check the content of this file, you will see another line will be added to this file for the
Okay.
user H4D ADM.
Yeah. Understand.
There will be two users created, SAP ADM and H4D ADM. So you can check it after the installation.
Okay. Now it's asking for system password. Oh,
Password is invalid. Password must contain at least one uppercase character.
oh. In other one, I just put India 123 without I kept two.
No, it must have been I capital because I don't think it will accept without that.
It accepted.
Okay, so maybe only for the system user there may be restriction.
Yes, yes, yes. So
I
can
remember that you have chosen different password for this one and different for this
I start it again from here?
one. Control C, start again. or if you are not comfortable, you can directly copy paste the whole command on this one from E13 up till E21. Just copy and you can paste it. Will directly start the installation. No more of selecting all these options.
That right hand side script.
Yes, right hand side, starting from E13 up till E21. Copy all these cells and paste it there.
Okay.
Okay, you started the installation, Anand. Good.
Yes, almost done, I think.
It will take around 10 minutes for the installation to complete.
Yeah.
No, you didn't copy it up till the last one, Dinesh. Yeah, press Control C. You have to select from D11. Sorry, D13. You have to select from D13 up till D21. You have to select all those cells. D13 to D21, then copy it and then paste it.
Yeah, D22 is also there, like BATCH in last one.
Not 22, D21. From D13 to D21. D13 to D21.
Okay, just copying again.
No, Dinesh, you are not doing it properly. Control C. See, can you see my screen?
Oh,
D13 up till D21. Now I will copy it. Okay. Do you want me to paste it? It will start the installation.
yeah, you can.
Okay. So can you just begin uncheck the keyboard and mouse and check it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I got it. 1 minute. I got it. Now I'm right clicking. Okay. Now 1 minute. Let me copy it here in a notepad. Can you type notepad and enter? Dinesh?
Yes. Okay.
No, I'm not able to type it. Okay, now copy paste from your Excel sheet and paste it here in this notepad.
Yes. Okay.
Let me paste. Okay, here it is. Finish.
Yes.
So why would this because it's taking one blank line? Because of this, it is not able to. It is I'm deleting this blank line. Now again, copying from here to here. Password India 123. There is some missing. I'm copying up to 22. This is the last option. Component, server, action, install, SID, number, development, system test. Okay, now I'm copying this and I'm pasting it here. No, there's some problem here with this.
This blank space, Zafar, we required this blank space.
That is not required. Just for this formatting, it looks a little better.
Okay.
Let me check now what happens. Okay, now the command is see. Can you see now the command is proper? Now it has started the installation. It will take 10 minutes and it will complete the installation.
Okay. Okay.
I think okay. So here Anand, I'm also facing the same issue with that copy and paste. You can do one thing, Anand. You can copy paste one by one line. I think maybe because of this any dash, which is giving some issue there. Yes, Anand.
Yeah, Muzaffar.
Yes, you're facing some problem.
Yeah, I'm checking the status.
Okay, so you can click, you can select one by one cell because I think it is if you select the whole, I think there is some problem.
Yeah, I do that.
You can check one by one. You can
Yes.
copy one and paste.
Yes, I'm doing that.
It's not a directory, it's a
So,
file. Yes,
okay.
enter, press enter.
Okay.
Okay. Now you select that option. What is that option over there? Minus action is equal to check installation. So there is a check third number option.
Okay.
third number. Okay.
Third number option, check installation. Enter. Okay, now it is asking for the password for SID ADM. Give the password for SID ADM.
You want to continue?
Yes, enter. Okay, now it is checking your system for the installation. It is checking the data HANA database installation. Can you see
Okay.
checking HANA database? Checking this. It will say SAP
Yes, yes.
HANA database system checked. It means it didn't found any
It's already.
error.
Okay. Yes.
And it has written the log file in this file. If you want, you can run the less command and you
Okay.
can check the content of this file.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can see, you can read the content of this file. You can check if there is any kind of error message or not.
Okay.
Okay, to come out of this, you have to press on Q. Just press Q.
Okay. Done.
And then below are the commands for checking the HANA status, starting HANA, stopping HANA, restarting it.
Okay. There is a inverted commas will be there, no? So what is this meaning now?
What is it then?
Is a column hyphen T hyphen S. There is a.
This is the whole field. Just select the cell and copy paste it there.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the status of your HANA database. You can see all the services over here. These are the services, individual services.
Okay.
Okay, this is the continuous command. So if you're
Okay.
stopping database, it will continuously show you the update. It's in the loop. The command is put in a loop. It will update every 2 seconds.
Okay. Okay. Now it is already start mode, right?
Yes, it's already started. You can stop it and check. You can check the option after D32 cell. That will stop the database. Run D32, and after that you can run a D34 cell. So it will show you the status. Okay, now run the watch command again. Up arrow key 2 times. Yes, Anand.
Yes, yes, I am doing it.
Because you'll miss out the status.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
okay.
see, it's already stopped now.
Okay, oh yeah, yes, okay.
So now you can start it. Control C, come back, and you can start it.
Muzaffarji, this watch command, that upper
Yes.
comma, we need to put that at upper comma as well.
Which one you're talking about?
Last
See,
one,
actually, see, the last one is because see there is an pipe. There is a pipe in the last command.
yes.
So because of that pipe, you have to put a whole command into single quotes. Do you get it? See, now if you only run the first part of this command, let me. I'm not getting the control. Now I got the control. Okay. So this is the watch command. I will right click.
Right click and
No. This any desk is this. No. Can you copy it in the here in this notepad? The
okay.
watch command.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so this is the command. Now, actually, because of this because of this pipe command, you have to enclose it inside here. If you don't have this pipe, if you don't have the rest or remaining of this pipe command, then you don't need this single code. You can just run the command directly. Can you see? It will just run the command directly. But because of that this pipe, so now if you run this command without the single code, if you run the pipe command without the single code, what it will do, it will run the watch command. It will give the output of the watch command to the column command. Do you get it? Now what it will do, it will run this command. It will run up till here. Okay, and after you get the output, it will try to pipe it to this command. So this is not what you want. You want to run this whole command, and then you want to give the output to the watch command. Okay, because of that, you need the single code.
No, I'm not able to understand it.
See, now actually, this is actually one command. This from
Yes.
start till here, this is one command. Okay, now if you don't give the single code, if you don't give this command in single code, it will give error. For example, there is a command. If I remove the single quote
Okay,
here,
okay. Then in last also there is one other code.
so it will give the command, see, it is not giving any output. Okay, the same command, it is not giving any output. If I just put this whole command in single quote, then I will get the output. Do you get it?
Okay, now.
Yes, here it is.
Yes, got it.
Okay, yes, Anand, you are done.
Yes, Muzaffar, I have done it.
Okay, very good. You can then stop the database, and then I think your practical is done for today. You can stop the database, and then I will shut down the VMs. It will not give you the prompt, Anand.
Okay.
The HDB command will not give you the prompt. It will complete it will stop the whole database, then only it will give you the prompt. The
Okay,
shell.
just I wanted to see the status, so that's the reason.
Then for this you'll have to open a new window, new shell, new console, and from there you'll have to check the.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
If you want to check whether it is down or not, you can check it from here. You can run the watch command again.
Okay.
Yeah. Your database is down
Yeah,
now.
now it is stop. Okay. Yes.
And one more thing, you also, Dinesh and Anand.
Yeah, Muzaffar.
Yes, now before shutting down the VM, you have to close this. See, you have added this system in your empty putty, na?
Yes, yes, correct.
If you don't close it, na, it will not get saved. If I shut down the VM, again next time when you open empty putty, you will not find this server connection over here. So you have to close it once. When you close it,
Okay,
it will get saved. The first
okay,
log out from this window.
okay,
After logging out from here,
okay,
now you have to say close it. Once you close it, now your configuration will get saved.
okay, okay, done.
I will not lose it. So there, you are done with this.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, done. Yeah,
Now can I shut down your VM?
yeah, you can please.
Okay. So where is Anand? Yes, Anand. Sure. It is minus, I think. H4D ADM, Dinesh.
Yes.
Yes, it's H4D ADM. You only given H4 ADM.
On second command, I tried that S4.
Where is the second command? Where?
The second one, S4D ADM. SU.
No, there is no S4D ADM. Where is it?
Yeah,
Which
this one.
cell number you're talking about? See, this is S4D ADM is for your application server. No, you have not installed the application server. SAP ADM, that is SAP ADM if you're talking about that. Now, 1 minute, come back to your second series. Come back to the second tab.
Yes.
So you come here to the second tab. Okay, if you now from here, if you check the content of your etc fstep file, which I showed you earlier, cat/etc fstep file. Okay, sorry, not fstep file. /etc password file.
Yes.
So can you see these are the new users which I created?
Yes.
H4D ADM and SAP ADM. There is no S4D ADM user. Okay, and this you can see this is the user ID.
Yes.
Sorry, this is your
Number that.
user ID. This is the group ID. This is your home directory, and this is your shell login shell.
Okay.
Okay. And if you see for SAP ADM, there is no shell for SAP ADM. So you will not be able to log in with SAP ADM. SAP ADM is only for executing commands. You cannot log in into with SAP ADM.
Okay. 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 S4D ADM.
Sir, what is the use of shell command?
Shell command.
What is the use of shell command?
The shell command. I can't get your
Yes,
point.
a shell command.
Shell. No, I don't
Yeah,
remember there's any command for shell. What you're speaking about, this one, the
yeah, yes, yes,
/bin/sh.
yes, yes, correct,
See,
yes.
that is the shell. See, normally what happens in the Linux system, you have different shells. Okay,
Okay,
many different programmers have programmed or developed different shell. So earlier
okay,
was your sh shell sh. Then after that you have this ksh corn shell. Then you have this csh c shell. Then you have this
okay,
bash born again shell. So these are
okay,
the different kinds of shells, and every shell have their own different kind of like syntax or something. So normally
okay,
the shell which you use is bash bash.
okay,
Okay, so this sh, the /bin/sh is a older version of bash.
okay.
I think you have executed this shell again. Can you see, Dinesh? You have went into the shell. If you run the ps command, you will see in which shell you are. See, you are running the shell sh. You can run Control D and come out of it. But I don't think no again then see you have not entered this minus command. This is important. If you don't enter the minus command, it will not take up the shell variables for the user. If you run the minus command, see now it will give you the okay. See now you're getting all this. Can you see? This is it is different now. So you have to run su minus nsid adm.
Okay.
Okay. If you don't give the minus command, if you try to run the SAP control, it will say tell you command not found because it will not find that path for the command.
Okay. Can I check now that HANA installation?
Okay, the system SAP HANA database system check.
And how to read that room file?
Less command. You can use the less command.
Less. Okay. Okay. Got it.
You can use the less command, but if you use the less command, it will show the whole content. If you want to just check whether there is any error, warning, or fail message in the file, you can copy paste the path of this file inside your this Excel sheet. Here, this is the cell. You can copy paste that path, the file over here, and you can run this command. It will tell you whether there is any error, fail, or warning message inside that file.
Okay.
It is not able to find this file. You might not have pasted the proper name of the file.
First, I need to type then copy this.
You have to paste you copy this file name. You have to paste that inside your Excel sheet, and then copy the egrep command.
Okay.
What you can do is that now. Okay, so here Dinesh,
Yes.
I'm copying this command up till here. Okay, and instead of typing the PI, I'm taking your file name. This is the output from your which you just executed. Okay, now if you click on enter, it will search for this error, fail, and want. It will search for these words inside this file. If you see, it has found this word error in this file, but this is just an information. This is not any error message. If you say, or if you see the last message, no errors detected, it means your installation check was successful. There is no error inside in your HANA installation.
Okay. Muzaffar, is there any difference between SDB Info and SDB Pros? Pro?
Yes, Dinesh.
The SDB Info and SDB Pro is there. So is there any difference between both?
90% of this is the same. The output is same. Just I think a little bit different. I think you can run the command. You can check the difference.
It's showing some port number also.
Yes, just one or some additional or maybe some less information. Just a minute. You run the watch command, so it will show you in the background whether your instance is getting shut down or not. The last command in that Excel sheet. Watch and this SAP control. It stopped.
Yes. So now not required to start it again.
Control C. Now Control C will come out of this command and you can then run another command. Now you can run the SAP control command with the start option. You can press up arrow key 2 times and then change the stop to start.
Okay.
Okay, now run the watch command. Up arrow key 2 times. Enter. Okay, now you can see all the process that are starting up. Some of the process have gone green, some are in yellow.
So this refreshing every 2 seconds, it's a default 2 second.
1 minute. Your voice was low. Yes, yes, tell me, Dinesh.
Thus every 2 seconds, it's like changing the
Yes,
status.
it changes every 2 seconds.
So it's
If you want,
default.
you can change the interval also. You just
From
run,
where?
Control C, run Control C.
Okay.
And now run the watch command, watch space minus minus help. Again run Control C. Again run Control C. Come on the prompt. Watch space minus minus help. Enter. Okay, I think you can see the minus n command, n option. Okay, minus n interval, seconds to wait between updates.
Okay. So default it 2 seconds, or we can add this.
Yes, default is 2 seconds. You can make it 1 second. You can make it 5 seconds. So you have to run the command watch minus n, the interval, and again space and the command that you want to execute. After watch, yes, space minus n. Okay. Yes, enter. Okay.
Yes.
Can you see the top line every 5.0s?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, it will update every 5 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, is it done?
Yes, done. Thank
Just log out from your sessions and close this window. Because if you don't close it, then you will lose your configuration for empty putty.
So one more log out.
Yes, log out from here. Also from the second tab also log out. You can also press Control D, shortcut Control D. Here you can press Control D. Okay, now close this empty putty.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so now I'm shutting down your VM.
Okay.
Okay, so that was, I think, all for the day. So see you all tomorrow at the same time, 6:30. Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Muzaffar.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Okay, bye.